Today, I'm introducing my BYDP product. The product name is CareSync, Smarter Healthcare, Stronger Families. So, the CareSync is an AI-powered family healthcare monitoring platform, majorly designed to help patients, caregivers, doctors, and hospitals to stay connected to a single healthcare ecosystem. So, the major and the main goal of the CareSyn is to improve the medication adherence, simplify healthcare management, and to provide the caregivers with a real time visibility into the health of their loved ones. So, by combining the artificial intelligence, healthcare services, and the family coordination, so the CareSync mainly aims to make the healthcare smarter and more accessible and also the more proactive. So before building any product, the major identification is a problem statement, right? So in my product, before building this product, I majorly identify and understand the problem. The problem arises like today, many elderly patients struggle to manage their multiple medications and health conditions, right? So, with that identification, I majorly get into know the four major challenges. So, I will explain you each challenges in a deep way. So, the first challenge that I majorly identified is the medications gap. So, overly 40% of elderly patients struggle to remember their complex dosage schedules, right? So, the first challenge, like it's a medications gap, like patients often forgot to take medicines on time, which can lead to the serious health complications. And the second thing is the information silos, like medical records and prescriptions are usually get scattered in some cases, right? So across different scattered across different files and apps. So those may leads to the delaying of clinical decisions, right? So that is one of the second one. It's a information silos. So coming to the third, it's a visibility void. So the major gap, it is like a family members often live far away, and they do not know whether their parents have taken medicines or how their health is progressing. Like suppose an example, if I am doing job in another place, like if I'm doing job in Chennai, so my parents are living in Hyderabad. So I am bit bothered about whether my parents is taking the particular medicines or not. So the care sync, which also help in that get the tracking of their health on the real time basis. So by that we get to know they do not bother about their parents' health condition, all those things. So we can identify their progressing. We can identify the health, their parents' health progressing like that. So coming to the third, it's a delayed care. Sorry, it's a fourth. It's a delayed care. Like the traditional consultations models often fail, like when immediate assistance or ambulance integration is required. So delayed care during emergencies can make healthcare management even more difficult. So these all challenges inspired me to make the development of the care sync. So, the coming to the third, I will actually the CareSync, which is majorly I want to design in the format of the unified AI ecosystem, which solving the fragmentation by centralizing the patient's experience. So, the CareSync addresses these challenges by creating a unified healthcare ecosystem. Like the first component, let we divide these core features with like a four components. So the first component, it's a first component. It's an AI prescription scanning. So first and foremost thing, where users can upload the prescriptions and the medical reports. So the AI automatically identifies the medicines and create the medication schedules. So firstly, we train before that creating any building of a product. We train the LLMs regarding the medical on all the medical related LLMs train of that particular thing. Those aside of part. So the AI automatically identifies the medicines and create the medication schedules. And coming to the second thing, it's a caregiver command center, like creating the dashboard and all the things. The dashboard alerts when they miss it, some of the doses, so which allows family members to monitor their health conditions, like receiving alerts and viewing the AI generated health summaries and all the things and all the health related stuff. And coming to the third, it's an integrated access, like we can say like connecting users with the doctors, hospitals, and the ambulance services and the variable devices. The variable which devices which includes like smartwatches. We can track some of the health data via watch, right? Smartwatches. Nowadays, the artificial intelligence making more smart in the smartwatches regarding all the health tracking apps and health tracking issues, and getting tracking from those particular data from the wearable devices. And coming to the finally, the connected intelligence. So these connected intelligence uses AI to generate the personalized health insights and the recommendations. So together, these components create a complete healthcare management platform. So this is which mean to say that it's completely unified AI ecosystem. Yeah, coming to the next thing, it's a comprehensive suite of every healthcare touch point. Like CareSync provides a comprehensive set of healthcare features. Like I will explain this all the steps. Actually, it offers the robust features, shares the supports the entire patient journey from daily maintenance to the emergency response. Okay, so first let's start with the patients and the caregivers. See, so first and foremost thing, it's a patients and the patients and the caregivers. So the patients can upload prescriptions and track the medications, so monitor vital signs, and they receive the food recommendations and alternative to maintain the proper protein food to maintain the proper health care and health issues, to avoid the health issues and food recommendation and interact with the AI health assistants. So, which in this which include the real-time mirroring of health profiles, medications logs, and the predictive risk alerts also. And the second thing is smart diagnostic. Like when they upload the medical report, uploads the OCR driven analysis for tracking vital trend over time. So which receiving alerts and the tracking the overall data through LLMs and all the things via OCR driven analysis. And the third thing is a virtual clinic, like a seamless virtual video doctoral consultations and booking with a verified network of the doctors with nearby hospitals and all the things, like getting the consultation of the doctors in an easy manner, the proactive way. And fourth thing, the emergency thing, like the platform these in this virtual clinic, the platform also includes the doctor appointment booking, the nearby hospitals discovery and teleconsultation services and the ambulance support and variable integrations and the predictable health alerts also. And in this case also the same thing, emergency support, right? So ambulance support and all that stuff which is also including these things. So these features help me create a seamless healthcare experience through a single application. Coming to the part of product experience and the user journey. So these particular slide explains that how the casing work in practice. So, first and foremost thing, the process starts with when a patient upload the prescriptions or the medical report. After that, the analysis is going to the picture using OCR and the AI technologies. The CareSync extract the medicine details and the automatically creates a medication reminders. After that, the patients receive the reminders and can track the informations through the app itself, through the automation process. and the patients receive the reminder and track the health information through the app. The caregivers receive the notifications and the real-time updates through the dashboard. If the medical attention is needed, user can directly book the appointment, and they can also book the appointment and they receive the healthcare services via monitoring. The caregivers receive the notifications adherence, a weekly healthy summary reports, and the final thing is the consultations. So, if medical attention needed, user can directly book the medical appointments via doctor during the video call of data backed adjustment and all the stuff. So this is all the foremost process of MVP and all the things and the process is going on in the work in the practice. How it's all the user journey of the CareSync. Coming to the business model, actually capitalizing on India's 10 billion digital healthcare opportunity. The CareSync targets the high growth Indian healthcare market, focus on 100 million plus households managing the chronic diseases. So India's digital healthcare sector is growing rapidly. So I creating a strong market opportunity to for CareSync. So our primary targets are elderly patients, right? So our primary targets are elderly patients, chronic disease patients, and the caregivers, and also the families. So the CareSync generate revenues through multiple channels. So the first is the premium subscriptions. So which provides the AI insights and enhanced monitoring features. It's advanced the on and the priority consultations. The main target segment is the B2C families, and second thing is institutional partnership. So the second, which with the hospitals and the clinics for the patient monitoring and the follow-up management, integrated dashboards for patient monitoring and all other follow-ups, which our targeted segments is hospitals and clinics. And the third is the collaboration with the pharmacy and insurance. These lead generations and the medication adherence data for the risk assessment. So our target segment is the B2B partners. And the fourth is the teleconsultation fees. So the teleconsultation service to provide the additional revenue through doctor appointments and the video consultations. So the transactional revenue from video visits and appointment booking. So these for this the our targeted segment is the general users. And the next futures and the how the future of the connected healthcare. So how the product and to ensure the structure growth, the CareSync follows the four phases roadmap. So the phase one is MVP, including the AI prescription scanning, the medication reminders, and the caregiver dashboards. And the phase two is the AI assistance, the assistance. So, which introduce the AI healthcare assistants, the capable of answering the healthcare related questions and the providing the basic guidance also. And the phase three is the ecosystem. So the expands the healthcare ecosystem by integrating the doctors, pharmacies, telemedicine services, and the ambulance support. And coming to the last phase is the phase four, which leverages the machine learning and the health data to provide the predictive health intelligence and the risk detection. So this roadmap enables the CareSync to evolve from a healthcare management tool into a complete healthcare ecosystem. Yeah, coming to the CareSync, the impact and the future vision. So our goal is not just to build another healthcare application. This slide represents the completely long-term vision and the impact of the CareSync our product. So we want to create a connected healthcare actually. So I want to create a connected healthcare ecosystem that improves the medication adherence, reduce the caregiver anxiety, and enables the proactive enables the, I mean to say enable proactiveness in this case, which includes total combines of artificial and our visions through AI powered monitoring, real time health insights. So emergency supports can help the patients to live more. So our visions to become the India's most trusted AI powered platform, family healthcare platform, and transforms the way healthcare is managed across the families. So this is all. To conclude, the CareSync combines the artificial intelligence, healthcare services, and the family coordinations into a single platform, which is designed to improve the healthcare outcomes and strengthen family support. So the CareSync is more than healthcare applications. So it is connected healthcare ecosystems to uh, of build for the future. So this is about my total BYDP product of the CareSync. And thank you. I would be happy to answer any questions for this. Thank you.